everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on receiving new Jotform submission and add details in Notion. So let's suppose I'm a wedding event planner and collecting all my customers with the help of Jotform. I want that as soon as the customer submits this form, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my customers and the details of all these customers should be automatically added in Notion. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between Jotform, WhatsApp and Notion. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Jotform where the new form submission will be made and this complete workflow will get triggered. And in my action application, I will take WhatsApp where an automated message will be sent to all my customers, and Notion where these details will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message on Jotform submission and add these details in Notion. For this, we are going to create automation between Jotform, WhatsApp and Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on create workflow. And now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as send WhatsApp message on receiving new Jotform submission and add details in Notion. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select WhatsApp automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message on receiving new Jotform submission and add these details in Notion. So whenever a new Jotform submission will be made, a WhatsApp message will be sent and these details will be added in Notion. So whenever a new Jotform submission will be made, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be Jotform and our trigger event will be new response. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Jotform for which a webhook URL is given to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Pabbly Connect with Jotform. So reading this help desk over from here, I will make this connection. And so as to build the connection, let me take you to my Jotform account. This is my Jotform account and these are the forms that I have created. I want to use this contact form and for this I need to click on edit form. So this is my form which has first name, last name, email address, phone number and city. And on the top it's giving settings. I have to click over here. And on the left hand side, I can see all these options where I need to click on integrations. And here I need to click on webhooks, click on edit integration. And over here, I need to add my webhook URL, which I was provided in my trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly and from over here, copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now click on complete integration. So the integration is ready and now I need to click on finish. Next, let's go back to Pabbly and you can see waiting for the webhook response and under this it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission. so that the data can be recorded here in the webbook response. Which means, so as to get the response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my Jotform. So over here, I need to click on publish and copy this form link and simply paste it on a new tab. And over here, I need to enter all these details. So let's say my first name is new. My last name is user. My email address is new40@pabblytudes.com. My phone number is, and my city is Bhopal. Now click on submit. So we have successfully submitted this form. Now let's go back to Pabbly and check whether it has captured this response there or not. And we can see we have instantly captured this response. The phone number was this. First name was new, last name was user, email address was new40@pabblytudes.com, and the city was Bhopal. So we have successfully built connection between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. And now we need to move to our next step, which is action step. As soon as we receive the form submission, we want to send WhatsApp message to all these customers. So here our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. And our action event will be send template message. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save. But if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And to make this connection, you have to enter all these details. So the first one is token, then is phone number ID, then is WhatsApp business account ID. So to enter this, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. And over here, from all these options, you have to click on My Apps. Then select your app. And on the left hand side corner, you can see all these options where you have to click on WhatsApp and click on API setup. And over here, we can see the temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, which we need to enter so as to build the connection between Pabbly Connect and WhatsApp. So this is a temporary access token and this will expire after every 24 hours. But if you want to generate a permanent access token, you can learn this process by visiting our YouTube channel. Now I will simply copy this temporary access token and paste it over here. Now I need to enter the phone number ID. So I will go back to Meta for Developers and copy this phone number ID given over here and simply paste it over here. Then I need to enter the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'll go back, copy this and simply paste it over here. Now click on save. So WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I need to enter all these details. So the first one is template name. So as to enter the template name, let me take you to Meta for Developers again. And over here, if we scroll down, we will be able to find this option. Here it's written to send a text message. Copy this command, paste it to terminal and press enter. To create your own message template, click here. So let's click on this hyperlink given over here. And over here, message templates have opened in front of us. Here, this is my message template that I have created by the name wedding event. And if you want to create a new template, you just need to click on this option given over here, create template. And from here, you can create your own template. So this is my message template by the name wedding event. Let's open this. And this template reads as, "Hi demo, thank you for providing your contact details. We have received your information and will get in touch with you soon. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reply to this message or contact us at this number. Best regards, Golden Vows." So over here, I have used custom variable as the name of the customer. And whenever I receive a new response, this will keep changing. So let's go back to Pabbly. And from over here, I need to select my template as wedding template. And it has automatically entered the language code and the template ID. Next, I need to enter the recipient mobile number. So to enter this, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So over here, I have received response from my Jotform form submission. So I will simply click on Jotform and map my mobile number as this one. And then I need to enter the body field. So over here, I want to enter my body field as the name of the customer. So over here, I will simply enter my first name and then my last name. I will put space between these two. And as I have entered a dummy phone number over here, I will remove this. And for now, I will enter my own number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive. Now I simply need to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, we have successfully received the response. The message status is accepted. So now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. And over here, I can see I have successfully received this response. The message reads as, "Hi new user." So this was the custom variable and body field which I have entered and mapped as the first and the last name. So here I have received the message as, "Hi new user. Thank you for providing your contact details. We have received your information and will get in touch with you soon. If you have any immediate questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reply to this message or contact us at this number. Best regards, Golden Vows." Now I need to enter these details in my Notion. So I'll go back to Pabbly, add one more action step and select my action application as Notion and enter my action event as Create Database Item. Now click on Connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with Save, but if you don't have one, click on Add New Connection, Connect with Notion. And over here, I have already logged into my Notion account. So I just need to give away these permissions and select my page as Customer Contact Details and click on Allow Access. Authorization successful. So Notion is connected with Pabbly Connect and now I need to enter all these details. So to enter this, first one is customer contact details, which I have already selected while making the connection. And then I need to enter the files and media. So I do not have any files or media, but if you have this, you can enter this using the process called mapping. So mapping means I will enter the data using my previous response. So here I have received the response from my Jotform. So I will enter all these details with the help of mapping. So let me enter city first. So I will simply click on Jotform new response and then select my city as Bhopal. Then I will enter the phone number using the same process. Then I will enter the email address new40@pabblytudes.com and the name as new user and put space between these two. Now content is not a required field or needed for me in the Notion. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now I simply need to scroll down and click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here we can see we have successfully received the response. Now I need to open my Notion account and check whether this detail has been added there or not. So we can see we have instantly added this detail. The name was new user, email address was new40@pabblytudes.com, phone number was this, city was Bhopal. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our Jotform and enter some other dummy details over in these fields. So let's say my first name this time is latest. My last name is user. My email address is latest100@pabblytudes.com. My phone number is and my city is Jaipur. Now I'll click on submit. We have submitted the form. Now I have to open my WhatsApp and Notion and check whether this latest user has received the response and their detail has been added in Notion or not. So we can see we have instantly received the message. This time the name of my customer was latest user. So the message reads as, "Hi latest user, thank you for providing your contact details," and the message that we have drafted in our message template. Now let's open our Notion and check whether this detail has been added there or not. And we can see we have successfully added this latest user over here. The email address was latest100@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this. And so to summarize, we took Jotform as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a form and received the response over here, after which we took WhatsApp Cloud API as our action application, entered the phone number, and then mapped the name and received the response as a WhatsApp message in my WhatsApp number. Then took Notion as our action application where I made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the database in which I want to add these details of the customer, entered all these details with the help of mapping, and simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as these details added in my Notion database. So we have successfully created automation between Jotform, WhatsApp Cloud API and Notion with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.